Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get into the setup mode on your Amazon Echo speaker. Okay, so as you can see, my speaker is in the setup mode already, and when this ring is on the orange, it means that the setup mode is activated. And to move your device to the setup mode, all you have to do is just simply click and hold this button, and click and hold it. One more time, let's make it one more time.
Wi-Fi is not set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Es ist kein WLAN eingerichtet.
Now in setup mode. Please follow.
Yeah, as you can hear, you will hear the notification that right now you are in the setup mode. So one more time, just click and hold this button until this ring turns to the orange, and you will also hear the notification that the device is in the setup mode. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.